Google Display Ads is one of the most powerful tools for advertisers, helping thousands of businesses reach their audience and grow. But how does it do this every day? The secret lies in its ability to understand user intent and context in real time. Let's break this down. Google Display Ads uses a unique approach to track behavior across the web, observing what users do, what they search for, and the websites they visit. This data is used to predict what a user might be interested in at any given moment, which helps advertisers reach them with relevant ads. Every time a person searches on Google or interacts with a website, Google collects context about that user. It's not just about what they're searching for right now, it's about understanding their behavior over time. This way, advertisers can tailor their ads to be seen by the right person at the right time in the right context. This real-time insight helps advertisers make smarter decisions, improve ad targeting, and drive better results. Whether it's a small local business or a large e-commerce brand, Google Display Ads ensures that the ads shown are relevant and engaging, helping business boost their visibility and conversion rates. In short, Google Display Ads enables advertisers to reach potential customers through its powerful understanding of online behavior and intent, making sure every ad serves a purpose and drives real results. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need help with your Google Ads, I invite you to take the 14-day free trial of my coaching program. Thank you and see you in the next one.